We're here on the corner of Carlisle and Ray Street in downtown St. Catharines for the groundbreaking of the Fallen Firefighters Memorial. The site will honor members of the St. Catharines Fire Service who made the ultimate sacrifice and died in the line of duty.
It's a very exciting day for us. It's been a long time coming. It's taken nearly a decade from when the chair of our committee and chief fundraiser, Barry Katzman, and I spoke at the IAFF Memorial in Colorado Springs. And he said, we need one of these in St. Catharines. And from that first conversation, it's gotten to this point.
Frankly, I was stunned that St. Catharines had nothing, where just about every other municipality in Ontario, even ones a tenth our size, have something that honor firefighters that fell in line of duty. So that's where the idea came from. I started talking to Ryan Medill originally in Colorado about it. And this is a unique project because we're taking a city asset but using private funds for it. So a lot of stakeholders had to come together.
It takes a long time to do something like this because you have to select what piece of property. There's only scarce resources in the city anymore, so that we have a list of what's available, what's suitable. The committee decides, and then we move forward. Then everything has to be okayed by city council. And as I said, they've been fantastic, but it takes time. But we're very excited that we're at this point now where we're ready to break ground and start to get this built.
How has it been working with the City of St. Catharines on such a project?
It's been phenomenal. And Mayor Senzik has been a tremendous supporter of the fire service, as has City Council. And it's great to be able to work in partnership with them on a project like this to recognize our fallen members.
Oh, it's great to be able to move this to the next phase. I know the committee has done a ton of work, and we've had some great fundraising and met with some incredible people to help contribute and move this project forward. So to be able to put the shovel on the ground today, it's a great feeling.
Today is the groundbreaking ceremony. What's next after this?
Well, we've ordered all the material, and as everybody knows, the supply chain for just about everything across the world is slowed down. So unfortunately, we had hoped to move things a little bit quicker, but we know that we're going to be about 6 months out before we can, even with the materials, to get everything set up to get going.
We set out with a goal of originally about $440,000, and we bumped that up because we ended up putting two figures, a male and female, for the life-size statue. So we put together a tiered fundraising package where donors could basically contribute in three areas. The top tier is $50,000. There's 5 of those. Then there's trees and benches, which are $10,000 each. And then there's bricks, which are $400 each. So all of those are at various levels of subscription at this stage of the game. So we're at about $300,000 of the $500,000 that we need to raise here. So we're at about 60%, certainly enough to get the project going. And we have enough positive leads out there, and in all honesty, once I get a chance to talk to people about it, the response has been overwhelming. That's our challenge, is getting in front of people and letting them know how and when they can contribute. So that's why we're hopeful these kind of events help with that.
Now that the groundbreaking is complete, the push begins to raise the remaining funds for the memorial. To find out how you can get involved, please visit the city's website. For Your TV from downtown St. Catharines, I'm Greg Lavelle.